Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the full screen gestures in this device. If you enable the full screen gestures in this device, you can easily hide the navigation buttons from the bottom tab. That means you can easily hide the recent button, home button and the back button. To enable the full screen gestures, go to settings, scroll down, tap on the option gestures, tap on navigation mode. So to enable the full screen gestures, select the option gesture navigation. So now you can see the navigation buttons are hidden from the bottom tab. So if you want to view how to use this full screen gesture, then tap on the option see how it works. So let me show you how to use this full screen gestures. To go to the home page, just swipe up from the bottom tab like this. You can directly go to the home page. Again, I will show you to go to the home page, swipe up from the bottom tab. To go to the recent application, swipe up from the bottom tab and hold it. You can see. Again, I will show you to go to the recent application, swipe up from the bottom tab and hold it. To go to the back page, swipe inwards from the bottom right side or swipe inwards from the left side. You can see. To switch between the recently opened application, swipe right or left the bottom tab. You can see. You can easily switch the recently opened application, just swipe right or left the bottom tab. So simply in this way you can enable the full screen gestures and you can use the full screen gestures in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.